took place. This opportunity took form when I applied to become a head. And now, the tables turned. It was not just about getting the job done anymore. It was about inspiring my team to be leaders themselves. At the end of the day, I just wanted to sit down, look at my team, and say, "Babe, sobrang galing mo lang." I never thought I would feel more fulfilled than I was as a head. But being the chair, the word fulfillment became an understatement. My goal was to make sure that our graduating members impart their passion for GMA to our newer ones. And so, with every day that I spend with my committee, and with all the problems and issues that come along our way, I never thought my committee would be that stronger each day. And this is how I want to be for GMA. I want to be with GMA throughout the laughter, the tears, the triumph, and most especially the moment when you run to your VP and say, "Help, I cannot do this anymore." Let me be your mother that you run to, that would hug you and tell you it's going to be okay. My greatest achievement in GMA is neither the number of sponsors I got, nor the number of projects I have handled. My greatest achievement in GMA is the people I have inspired to actually love this org. And this is why I'm standing here in front of you, because GMA has been a home for me. And I want to open its doors for you, so that you can all say, "I'm finally home." So I ask you today to please allow me to be part of your life here in GMA. Allow me to be your Mama Ju. I am Julia Pascual, asking for your trust to be your next Externals Vice President. Thank you.